Hey guys, you don't know it's me, your girl, the festive queen, Aishana. And as you can see, I am inside. You should stay inside, okay? There's not a joke thing going out there. Now we need to get back festive. But for now, stay festive inside, yeah?
So everybody do a simple little video and tell the people themselves it's stand at them yard. You see me? Stay in, wash them hand, use hand sanitizer and bathing. She choose to go up on the media half naked to tell the people themselves stay inside. I don't know, probably them will listen when she naked, but them not listen when she full of clothes. Anyway, it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. Wagwan people, I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. So today we get to understand say Intence voice note leak. He might diss the world boss again. Not just the first time, but again. And Jah Vinci respond to Popcaan. We have all of that to talk about and more. And please remember to follow me on Instagram. Cause we post some things over there, but we can't post over here. So, like for the Aishana video a while ago, if you want to see her naked, I tell the people themselves to stay home, go over me Instagram. It there. See?
I'm continuing to tell people to just appreciate life itself, to hear that you're breathing. It's so precious to be able to see, to be able to touch, to be able to feel, to be able to walk, to be able to talk. The things that we're complaining about right now, it's so little. Your life is so precious. Just give God thanks to wake up every day.
Yeah, Chaddy Marie, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes! What a vibes! Me nah no time fi go fight war. I sing bout no man when me ride past. Me sing bout how my landlord not like her. I know me say the neighbor a fighter.
So that is Jah Vinci new song entitled Fight War, and it's produced by Not Nice. And a lot of people are saying, it is aimed at Popcaan. And me I tell you why the people must say so. Because about a week ago, Popcaan went on a live and said, yo, him used to write for Jah Vinci and a bag of things you're supposed to know about the saga already. The unruly family breakup or family feud, as them call it. Anyway, right now, Jah Vinci say him not have time for go fight war. Him not have no time at all for go argue with some man over 4 bar or something like so. And did I mention that the song is produced by Not Nice? I only supposed to know what that's something they got on.
Right now the business need a change, and I know parties need to change. Come a boss champion and range, and I see how much soul that need to see.
So people, even though we know this is a response to the whole Popcaan saga, we still not gonna label it as a diss song, because when we're talking it, a real talk, but we see the little shade them. We see the little shade them like a you own Ray-Ban glasses, but that's a one different topic. What we are trying to say, yo, it's a good song, it's a nice song, and I have to comment Jah Vinci, how him do it. You see me? Not for the people in that little saga, they want to know how me talk, put it in the comment section below. Before them take it to the studio and write a song, just like what you did, them take it to Instagram live, and now everybody know them business. That's why the people them call it a family feud, the unruly family feud.
Family, quick for war with them one. Now listen them just a war with them one. No man a set like that for them one. No know me at top, but then cast the first one.
So in case nobody did have no speculations whether or not he was indeed talking Popcaan, I guess when you hear that line a while ago, you need a glasses to see a Popcaan him talk. Him say family, and you know say Popcaan have that song they say family, and me say family. So him say family love to war with them own, but a them go and cast the first stone. And we all remember say a Popcaan really go fast with the people, cause Not Nice and DJ Exp0se did up on the live, and out of nowhere Popcaan enter the chat and said, "Sakake Jah Vinci, I can't find a hit song." I know, me still I wonder why Popcaan did that, Anyway, this song definitely sound like a hit. Zine, so tell me in the comment section what you think about this song, and let's move on to the next hot topic.
This man, bro, God, man. Alright, man. Jah Kartel there, and barely I get pussy in a dog. Or that road I fuck you whole like girl, and just imagine for fuck right now, you know? Go on, man. Young man, it's right through, man, bro, G, man, you hear?
So just in case you don't clear I want to go on right there, so let me give you a little recap. So people, last week when Vybz Kartel dropped this song entitled, wait name again, Jah. Yes, people, this song name Up Top Gaza. Yo, me literally forget where the song name I have to go look. Anyway, when Vybz Kartel dropped that song, me don't know what did I go on with him Vivo, you know. I don't know what did I go on with him Vivo, but it's like in the channel 1, and then him go up, drop all the way to like number 10 trending or something like so. So now him did take it to his Instagram, a complaint say, yo, some people are buy views, and at the time, Intence had 2 songs on Jamaica trending, and that is number 1 spot and number 2 spot. So Kartel kinda going on feelings and about of things, and so some people are buy views. So Intence did kinda style him on his Instagram, where he post a pic and caption it, "Can't draw you out, better you hold a night sleep." Hashtag number 1 trending. Hashtag young badness. Hashtag Jenna life. Proud of the youths when you see them a win. So I guess Vybz Kartel did also feel a way and a bag of things. Anyway, fast forward to today, where we get the likes of this voice note being leaked. And people are speculating that it is Intence on the voice note. But people, make we dissect it and so I go on. So listen again.
This man, bro, God, man. Yeah, man. Jah Kartel there and barely I get pussy in a dog. Or that road I fuck you whole like girl, I just imagine for fuck right now. You know? Go on, man. Young man, it's right true, man, bro. G, man, you hear?
Alright. So in the age of voice note being leaked and a bag of things, we can't 100% sure say it is the person in question. But what we can say, it really sound like him for true. It definitely sound like him for true. And why them a style up Vybz Kartel so, which we kinda know why, can't just explain it. But yo, John was star. Shorty no go link him again after that album there. Shorty supposed to go link him again. Well, probably not get vagina that regular like the people in the road, but definitely him supposed to get some vagina. No? Anyway, people, tell me what you think about this voice note being leaked. You think say I really Intence them do that? Because people, if I Intence them do that, you know, that would have set the whole of Gaza nation them for Intence, and then that would look good. Because you know right now Intence them kinda depend a little spot in a dance hall where people are listening to them music from both sides, which are the younger generation them still. The younger generation. Because enough people still don't know who is Intence. You get what I say? But I am sing that song yeah.
None of them no Intence. Nah. Be the raffle like me swing face.
Hold on people, sorry. Wrong clip. This is the song by Intence. That was actually sick a rhyme. This in Intence. But here is Intence, for real now.
Me have couple, I'm a friend. A top scam, a grab card. What make you think we got sad?
So that should be Intence's biggest song to this point. You get what I say? That's the song where everybody know. Him have other songs, you know. Him have a lot of songs. You see me? Songs like, girl, you can't cut anytime you want cut. Give her scissors. I say, go. Anyway, you don't know that song there. Remember me, name Chaddy, nah. You see me, people. But about the artist, and him do him thing. And I don't know why. The people I try. You see me? Stop him food and them thing there. But wanna leave it in the comment section and tell me what you think about the alleged voice note of Intence dissing Vybz Kartel. So people, we are straight from the topic of Intence dissing Vybz Kartel to another topic. It still surrounded Vybz Kartel, you know, but it surround Vybz Kartel's son as well, because today is Vybz Kartel's son's 17th birthday. And just in case you're wondering how me know that, well, Vybz Kartel himself took it to his Instagram and post this video.
Listen, don't be no gunman. Me we do the killing and pile dead body.
And that's a line from the song One Way. So impose that video with the caption, "One more year pandemic G, 17 and ever clean. Just go and do the right thing. 100,000 per veranda for the drama at Little Vybz." I swear, even in a Vybz Kartel simple stat like these, I'ma send a message, I'ma show you a sign. So if you notice the video when I play, him say,
"Listen, don't be no gunman. Me we do the killing and pile dead body."
Which simple, I'ma tell the youth say, yo, watch you know, stay out of trouble. You see anything with you go on, me will do it for you. And then him say 100,000 on the veranda for the drama. In case you forget, that's a line from Tony Montana.
100,000 rifle on veranda for the drama. If you make it past this, so like your skill, Maradona.
It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. The at name still remain the same, but the page name changed to Chaddy Murray Promo. Alright, so people, run go over there, cause a be a madness a go on over there, you know. Be a madness. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and guess what? I'm out. One way, and any other way, the wrong way.